have another review for you. I know a lot of us have used voice amplifiers this past couple years in the pandemic. I have a new one that I'm really excited to show you all. I have reviewed other voice amplifiers in the past. They are all great for different reasons. There is a little bit of assembly required for this. Nothing too crazy, it's just the microphone. So this part is the part that goes around your head, or I wear it around my neck, I'll show you that. And then I just took this out of this kind of clouded paper here, and it really is just as easy as putting these in the grooves in the right spot, and then twisting it so it snaps in place. And there we go. Then there is a part for charging, I believe, for both the headset and the unit itself. So actually, let me open that for you. Very pretty. It reminds me of like a camera. These little things on the side here are just for the strap. I hadn't been using the strap much on my other one. I did like that there was a clip. It doesn't seem like this one has a clip, so I might have to go back to using a strap, but honestly, it is nicer that you can like throw something on like this. I just find that I have so many things wrapped around my neck or attached to my body in any given school day that it's actually really nice to have something that kind of fits like a purse. And that way too, you can angle it if you want it more facing the front. Sometimes I like to put it behind me if I'm up at the board writing something down and I still want the kids to be able to hear me through a mask. So yeah, let's get this thing charged up so I can use it. So one thing I do want to mention too is that I just realized that this is actually a wireless headset, which I'm so happy about, because the other one that I have that I've done a review on, it wasn't wireless, and I ended up buying a wireless headset to go with it. So I'm really happy about this. The only thing I want to say is that because it's wireless and it connects via Bluetooth, if someone else in your school also has like a WinBridge Bluetooth headset, they might connect to each other. So I've actually had that happen before. So like, keep it your own little secret if you get one. But while it's charging, I want to show you guys how I wear it. So normally I wear mine like this. I am wearing my mask when I'm using this. I am still wearing a mask in school. Is it a requirement? No, it's a choice. So basically when I wear it like this, I usually have this going around my neck and I have this pointed up to my mouth, and the students can hear me totally fine. If I'm having a one-on-one conversation with a student, then I will just kind of like put it down like this, and then we can have our private conversation with the speaker still being on, and then just bring it back up. So it's really that easy. Some people like to wear it on their heads, and the proper way to wear it is actually, you know, like this. But most days I am wearing glasses and it's just too much stuff going on in my head and my ears. So this way works perfectly fine for me. Hello, this is Editing Gina here. So these two clips that are coming up next might seem a bit random, but I did want to try and get some footage of me teaching and using the voice amplifier. It is a little bit harder to do because whenever I put my phone anywhere, my students are always like, "What are you doing?" and asking me all sorts of questions, or they try and get in the frame, which is not allowed. So this is kind of like the best that I could do. You can see I'm standing here and my voice amplifier is on my desk, and then here I am sitting with it on my desk. One of the things that I really like about it is that it is so adaptable in the sense that like you could wear it on your body, you can put it at the front of the room, you can leave it on your desk, and the students will be able to hear you from anywhere in the room. So I apologize that maybe this isn't the content you want to see, but it's the best I could do. Okay, it is officially the end of the day. I have a hard time finding time to film because my room is always full of people and things, but it is after school, and I want to share some of my final thoughts about this WinBridge amplifier. The model number is S388. I only have good things to say. I really enjoy it. I love that this one comes wireless already. Like I said earlier, I had bought my own wireless one, so I'm really glad that this one is wireless. Super comfortable to wear. Again, you see me in videos wearing it like this. This is just the most comfortable way for me. Personally, I love this. This is really easy to use. I like that there is a volume control on here. That is something that my other one didn't have. So I can adjust it based on how far I need to project or how close I am to a student. Super easy to connect. I don't think I explained this earlier. Basically, to turn it on, all you do is switch this on and it'll tell you how much battery you have left. So I have 98% of battery, and then when you click the and hold the M button, there will be a flashing UI button, and that will connect these two together. As long as this is on, you can see on here how much battery is left. I need to charge it, but super easy to turn on and off and connect. And one thing that I did today as well is I put this speaker on its own at the front of the class, and then I walked around with this, and it stayed connected all throughout my classroom and was super easy for students to kind of see me and hear me at the same time. So I really enjoyed that.